Thokozani. Amen. Okay. Ngisaqhubekela phambili futhi nginifundisa ngamabhayi. I'm going to continue teaching you about the here, about the gowns. Okay. This is the opposite of the other one that I've just shown you. Lesi isithunywa. Isithunywa sokuthandaza. Isithunywa sikamenzi. Isithunywa sisebenza ngamanzi only water. Mawuboniswa leli bhayi leli awuphili ngomuthi. Mawuke waboniswa leli bhayi leli, go to the person who knows more about isithunywa samanzi. Consult with the person that knows better about isithunywa samanzi, because you are not a candidate of amakhashakashana. Into ephilisa umuthi ophilisa omunye wena ngeke ukuphilise. You are not a candidate of herbs. You are not a candidate of herbs. Isithunywa samanzi. Kibokuku bametsi, kibokuku bakometsing. Fela this. Ibhayi labantu abathandaza kakhulu. Ibhayi labantu ababethandaza bekhuphuka baye entabeni bathandaze, behle baye emanzini bathandaze. No muti on this one. Right? Yes, siyaboniswa sonke amahiya, siyaboniswa sonke amabhayi, siyaboniswa sonke amagauni, but stay knowing that our powers are not the same. Our powers are not the same. Our powers are not the same. Indaba yokuthi nami nginalo ngiyazazi nginesithunywa samanzi, ngiyakwazi ukuzenzela ukuziyela ngedwe emanzini. Bona emanzini there is also evil spirits. There is evil spirits, there is good spirits. Right? Ungangixaki-ke usungi-inboxa, usungibuza ukuthi nami lelo bhayi lelo nginapho. Respect my work. Respect my expertise. Respect ubizo lwami nami ngaphiwa. Respect. Ubhukhe appointment uze ngikufundise, uze ngikuhlolele. Ngithi awavuthe amalanga kithi thina sisebenza ngomlilo. Ngiyabonga mkhulu.